Welcome guys to a new video. On today's video we are going to work on this Samsung A02. What we're gonna do, we're going to replace the screen. Alright, let's start this repair by removing the SIM tray. Let's remove the SIM card just like so. Alright, and right away we're gonna start to remove the back cover of this phone. It's very easy, it's just held by clips, so we have to be going through the whole phone just like so with our Sesamo tool all the way around. So let's just pry this back cover. It's made out of plastic, by the way, all the way around just like so. Alright, just a few more clips. Okay, that will be good enough. And that's how we basically open this phone. There we go. Alright, and we're going to proceed with removing all the screws. We're gonna use our Phillips screwdriver for this. You're not gonna need any other type of screwdriver. We're just gonna remove all these screws, and we're gonna gain further access into the heart of this phone. So let's just continue. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I didn't secure it very well, so I apologize about that. Alright, we just have a few more screws to remove. There we go. One more. And that's it. Alright, now we're going to remove these plastic holders. Basically they're just holding down like the charging port and the one on the top right here, this one is just holding down the motherboard, just to make sure all the pieces are in place. There you go. We're just gonna pry it off too. Alright, right away we're going to unplug the battery. That's the first thing you do when you open a device, just for secure reasons. You don't create any electrical short on this phone. Remove one single screw, so that way we can basically just remove the motherboard from the housing, which is we are replacing the whole thing. There we go. Also unplug the charging port. You see how it goes connected to the bottom, just to show you. We're going to also remove it. We're going to place all these pieces in the new housing. Alright, from here you can always check your new part, because sometimes they come with a pieces. Could be a power button, could be a speaker, ear speaker, could be anything. So that way maybe you don't need to remove all the pieces, all the little components inside this phone, as you guys can see. Well, we're going to check, and we're going to start to remove mostly everything, just so you can see how everything is holding together. Alright, so let's start with the ear speaker. We're gonna remove the ear speaker. Be careful by removing the ear speaker. Don't split it. If you like split it on half, it's just like two layers. One that basically the one is glued down, and the one on the top. If you split it, it's not gonna work anymore. It's not gonna be functional. So just make sure, be careful when you're removing the ear speaker. That's some advice I can give you. Okay, let's continue with the vibrator, and there we go. I think we have the loudspeaker on the bottom. We're also going to remove it. There we go. We have a ear speaker and we have the loudspeaker on the bottom. Alright, that's how it looks. I think we're going for the battery now. I think this phone was already worked on before, because this battery was not that hard to remove. You will find probably your battery a little harder to remove. As you guys can see, probably this phone has some work done before. As we can see, this phone has been through a rough life. Alright, let's grab the new part. Here we have, as I say so, from what we can see, we can spot on. Things is flying out. Let's just unwrap this. There we go. Okay, you guys can see we have these side buttons already pre-installed and our new part, which is awesome. We always you can always order this part like that. It can just cost you a few extra dollars, you know, money you can save, time you can save, and maybe you don't have the skills to glue the new screen without the frame. So let's just remove all the taping around, all the protection, and let's begin installing the old parts, into the new frame. There you go. Loudspeaker, vibrator, ear speaker. It's pretty easy, right? It takes no time. Alright, now we can just go and proceed with the placing our motherboard and charging port, which you see we didn't unplug that little cable on the side. It's kind of safety. Sometimes those little connections, antenna connections, are pretty weak. I experienced before they break out. If you don't have soldering skills, that could be an issue. So just leave it. Just secure the motherboard with the single screw that it came with, and just slide the cable in the opening right there. Plug in the charging port. We're building here. Alright, place the battery back inside. If the battery don't have adhesive, you can always apply a little bit of adhesive, a few stripes, it's fine. This battery already has some adhesive from the previous installation. So that's it. Plug in the LCD cable, plug in the battery, and put back the plastic holders, which are held by screws on the top and on the bottom. We're just doing the hold operation backwards, and that's it. We're going to seal the deal with the screws. There you go, guys. This is a very I could say easy repair. You guys can maybe have a little project during the weekend, or maybe in your day off. If you have a old device, you can turn it into a functional device. That way we can save some money and recycle some phones. Anybody have a use for a second phone, or maybe a playing phone? You can use it for playing games. Whichever is the reason, this phone could go to the garbage, but instead of that, it's going back to the streets and be used. That's what I was made for. So there you go. We're gonna complete our task. I talk too much. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, we're going to finish putting all these screws back together. Alright guys, I didn't want to waste no time on this one. I want to give you the straightforward details how to do it. Alright, that's how the old one and the new one. Let's just place the back cover in the phone. You just have to basically like put like these two pieces together. Like I said before, it's just held by clips, so you just push it in. You're gonna hear a clip, and that's it. Just check around, make sure you don't have gaps, and don't forget to put your SIM card back into the phone, so you can start make those calls to your friends and say, hey, come to hang out, I have a phone, my phone is being fixed by me. Alright, Samsung Galaxy A02 is a big difference from the beginning to the end, as you guys can see right here. We're just gonna wait a few seconds, if I can say, so this phone can turn on and we can show the beauty of the new screen. There you go. Samsung really like us to wait. They like to make us wait. Okay. A few years later, here we go. Voila! Whoa! The phone is being fixed. There we go. It doesn't work at the speed of light. That's the processor on this phone. It's not the fastest phone, but it's not the slowest either. So there we go. Fully functional. We can check. A successful repair. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys. You guys are great. There we go.